I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal money pending. First, let's understand why your funds might be held. Often, it's due to unverified accounts or unconfirmed email addresses. To resolve this, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Summary or Notifications section. Look for any alerts prompting you to verify your identity or confirm your email. Completing these steps is crucial for smooth transactions and can often release your pending funds within a few hours. There are several common reasons why your PayPal funds might be pending. For new sellers, PayPal often holds funds for up to 21 days to ensure buyer satisfaction. Similarly, large or unusual transactions can trigger security reviews. Providing shipping information, including a valid tracking number, is vital. Once the item is delivered and confirmed, your funds are typically released within 24 hours, significantly faster than the full 21-day hold. To expedite the release of your pending funds, proactive steps are key. For physical goods, always add tracking information directly to the transaction details on PayPal. If you're selling services or digital items, mark the transaction as completed or shipped within your PayPal account. Additionally, clear communication with your buyer, asking them to confirm receipt, can also prompt an earlier release. These actions can often reduce the waiting period from 21 days to just a few days. If your funds remain pending after you've taken all the recommended steps and the 21-day period has passed, it's time to contact PayPal support. Have your transaction details, including the transaction ID, date, and amount, readily available. You can reach them through the help section on their website or by phone. For specific issues or disputes, the PayPal Resolution Center is your best resource, offering guided steps to resolve complex situations efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.